I throw a salute. Now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. Manchester United 2 and Tottenham 0. We get Oga Uke wey be like say now Ogbonge Man U fan and his face it already they show say he this performance wey Man U perform today sweet am for body. But you as a Man U fan now Oga Uke, how you see the performance?
Yeah, the performance is very okay. They're just very aggressive. You know, Mayu players not give touchers space to hold the ball. So that is a good performance. I like that. It's a big keeper like this, but I know so you got afraid a bit of by the return like that, the whole cut gas, let's work. But I like the performance.
So but for this performance now, which Man U player and be your own man of the match?
Man of the match, I'll give it to Fred because if I don't give Fred, I'll simply give Casemiro, but I'll give it to Fred because he score. You understand? And if you see the gate go, Fred he play what we expect him not to play. He did not play for the last match, he play out today. He be apologize with this match. With this match, he apologize, give us say that mistake we make on the last match. He work correct out today, so I'll give it to Fred. And Fred deserve our man of the match.
So how you see this combination, Casemiro and Fred for the midfield? How you dey see am?
Casemiro and Fred on the midfield, he did very okay. Because if I'm McTominay now, by now I don't say him for that yellow card, and that pressure for that midfield for reduce. But you see, say Casemiro and Fred, there's a big tackle ball. Not the play boy, they get a yellow card. But now Casemiro, now McTominay now, yellow card for that day body. So the midfield, the block for that reduce strength. But we see what they are to do today. They are to play fine football. And now Brazil. And they understand it so that first of all, advantage of that their language. And they communicate with the Brazilian language, say, see what you go do. So language matter a lot for game. So for that one, so I think the coach make the best blocking for. Make just a pay their shoe like that, they go for us. Or let's say one get card before I bring back somebody to come.
So but may I ask you now, with what you see from Manchester United so far, what do you predict? Say which position you predict say Manchester United will finish by the end of the season with this work where you see Eric Ten Hag they do right now?
For this season, almost Arsenal, the former Arsenal day and the former match today. Now you got to serious before Liverpool go pick back there. From if not, me say that first, second, third, Arsenal, Man City, and Liverpool, and get down. Chelsea, they go leave up the fourth for us. Chelsea go leave the fourth for us this season. But me say that fourth position might be secure. But for that first three, no. I won't go add my.
You don't talk about Chelsea now. More talk about Chelsea small. This weekend, Chelsea go play Manchester United. You as a Man U fan, now how you see that match and what you predict?
Yeah, so that match, Chelsea fans they go see me wrong because first of all, Kante is out. Happy when I hear that news. Second news, James out. Happy again when I hear that news. The last news of the year, Thiago Silva out. As he come out, I know they make Chelsea ready to play the first game or less. They go collect somewhere if they come outside. So, as a Man U fans, with what Chelsea gets now on ground, Man U go beat them well. Man U go beat them well. What Chelsea gets on ground, Man U go win Chelsea.
So what will be your score prediction?
My score prediction, we'll leave at 4-1.
4-1?
Yes, because there is no how you play big team like Chelsea for that kind of big match. Chelsea no go score. But the way Man U they play now, so now 4-1.
All right, now, okay. Thank you for your time.